Welcome to the June 2025 construction update for the address, Accra's premier 3-tower development in Roman Ridge. Rising over 20 floors, the address is designed to serve a diverse clientele with a residential tower, a vacation tower, and a hotel tower, all anchored by 2 levels of basement parking and premium amenities. Over the last month, the address has made steady progress underground. Excavation for basement 2 is now 98% complete and all water tanks have been successfully installed. Concrete work for the post-tension slab at basement 1 in Tower A is also complete, while columns, shaft walls and lift walls in Tower B have been fully constructed. Formwork for the ground floor post-tension slab in Tower A is 80% complete, and the podium structure is beginning to take shape, signaling the transition from substructure to superstructure. With overall construction progress now at 15%, the project is on track and moving. Looking ahead, the team remains focused on completing current levels and preparing for the vertical rise of all 3 towers. Construction at the address is coming to life, and each day brings us closer to delivering Accra's most prestigious address. Thank you for being part of this journey. We'll see you in the next video.